Hey, sup guys, Jahid here back again with another video. Today is the live. What's going on, everyone? Hope you all doing great on YouTube. And yeah, man, life, life. So, uh, what to talk about? The market, Bitcoin, finecoin, what is all that good stuff. So, yeah, guys, basically it's been very quiet and I'm quiet too. Much things actually, and. Yeah, guys, just trying to figure out signs, sign to make money quick and basically keep that passion. Addicted to the cash, baby. So we're here live. Fine coin. Yeah, I haven't sold nothing actually. I had some bits in there and I just took it out, but I haven't sold nothing, and I'm just holding to my tokens because the market is like up and down. So I think I'm gonna start doing day trading, guys, because if Bitcoins just keep playing that way, at least I win that on the side, and if it just keep going up, I'm still winning. So, but I want to like on a daily basis just make some trade. When Bitcoin goes up, just sell that, and as long as I make any profit, just sell it and then uh, wait until if it comes back down, then buy and sell. Or buy low, sell high. That's you don't forget. Buy low, sell, buy low, sell high. Supply and demand. You gotta put this in your mind, guys. And, cryptocurrency, man, is big. It's big, guys. It's big. So yeah, I know. I know. Oh, well, Land Connect. I haven't invested on Land Connect at all. But I remember I bought some tokens when the price it was around $40, and that share just went back to around 20. Then I sold all tokens, and if I didn't sold by now, all this would have went down, guys. So just bear with me, guys. Sorry. Yeah, hello. Yep. No, we can't. Sorry. We're very busy. We can't take any order. Sorry about this, guys. Yeah, what I was talking about basically trading up and yeah, Land Connect I haven't bought in, and when the price was around 40, I sold fucking dumb things. I just said that, but yeah, that shit was going down, and fucking if I haven't sold, I would have ended up with worthless token. And right now, actually, the price start going up, so we might never know. We might never know. So let's see what this would bring us. What is it talking about? Chrysos, motherfuckers. I got 3K loaded in there, and fucking they ain't paying fuck all, and fucking the geezer, man. What's it called? Altcoins boss. Fucking dumb niggas. Fuck. The platform ain't paying. What's the point promoting it? Like, people they just gonna what? Do what? Go fucking buying the exchange at $14? Nah. Nah, no one will do that. It's too expensive, and you can't put a price like this and not taking it down afterwards. But chrysos, I still go up on it. I'm not gonna lie. We just gotta be patient with it, and if they scam, still it wouldn't bother me that much because I was prepared for it anyway. So that's that. What else? Zoukcoin still like uh, Zoukcoin. Okay, yeah, Zoukcoin. It's not doing much, man. It's not doing much. Like the price, it just keep going up and down, and we don't know yet. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, man. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Zoukcoin, we'll see how it goes actually, because I don't know. Zoukcoin. Don't get me wrong. There is some buy and sell. The price like it hasn't went more than 70 something. I think if I can recall that. But as always, that when I say Bitcoin's price, as soon as Bitcoin start shooting up and not stopping, not going back, all those lending platforms they're just gonna follow up, guys. So we just gotta support Bitcoin at the moment, I guess, and wait and see. But anyway, guys, that's that. But we're here to make that money. We're going to make that money this year. We gotta be big boy. This is the year of the. I was gonna say wolf. Those motherfuckers, they like wolf, crypto wolf, doing this, wolf. Yo, headache, man. We're lying here. No wolves. But anyway, guys, Jahid signing out. See you in the next one. Peace out.